All right, focus up, you guys. Scott Wilson with Dumbass Contractors. We're doing a door repair. We've got it set up with Titebond liquid hide glue. It's my go-to glue. It's water soluble, and I can back my way out of it if I get a problem. It's the secret to mastering anything, is being able to get yourself out of any problem you can get yourself into. We've got a smashed door, parts of it here. I pre-glue everything. I want glue on both sides of the repair. Dry fit it first. Put it together. And then clamp it up. Okay. Do it the smart way. Smarten up. You want to make sure that repair is square on the door. That's the tricky part. You want to get everything lined up. Right there. All right. Then we just clean this up with water.